All right, what's up guys? This is Mitchell Reese, your Salt Lake Realtor. We're out in Millcreek today, right next to Salt Lake City, and we have a beautiful home built in 1955, but remodeled to look this stunning. They're doing something right. This was remodeled by Maylee and listed by Sasha, and there's so many great things to talk about this house. Amazing master bedroom, that's all the entire second floor. Beautiful outside remodel as well. No neighbors to the back, and so much more. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look on the inside, show you guys around. But before we go ahead and start with this tour, I'm gonna hand it off to Sasha. Sasha, take it away.
Welcome to 1565 East Evergreen Lane, nestled in the heart of Millcreek, Utah. This 6-bedroom, 4-bathroom luxury home is packed with style, comfort, and all the cozy features you'll love. Step inside and check it out with us.
All right, guys, welcome back once again. I hope you enjoyed that little intro. Hopefully it piqued your interest to come take a look inside. But let's go ahead and talk about what this home has in store for us. So this is a listing that is for sale. It's on 1565 East Evergreen Lane. It's got 6 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 3,782 square feet. It's a remodel that was built in 1955, priced at $1.375 million. And we're going to go ahead and take a look inside it. What justifies that price? First of all, look at all the hard work they did on this. All the streets, or all the homes on this street definitely look like they were built in the 50s. This one is an absolutely beautiful remodel that looks unlike anything else. But what about the lifestyle surrounding this house? Well, you're pretty close to downtown, being in Millcreek, so you're really close to all the amazing restaurants that are downtown and in Sugar House, and you have great proximity to just the mountains. Most anywhere in the Salt Lake Valley, especially here in Millcreek, you have great proximity to the Wasatch Mountains. Easy access to the canyon going up to Park City, so then you can be doing your skiing and snowboarding in the winter time, and then Jordanelle Reservoir, other lakes that are within the vicinity of this area. This place is perfect for both the summer and the winter. So whether you're hiking, biking, boating, or in the winter time, snowshoeing, skiing, snowboarding, that's what it's all about. That's what the lifestyle surrounding this 1955 remodel is. So thank you so much for coming to the video. Can't wait for you guys to see the rest of it. I'm going to let you go ahead and enjoy and feel the experience of this home that it has to offer. So we'll see you at the end of the tour. So I hope you guys enjoyed that one. That was another remodel by Maylee, and it was beautifully well done. I hope you guys really enjoyed that. But yeah, there is an interesting situation going on with the market right now with these interest rates going down. That's what I'm here for, guys. If you're interested in buying, selling, or investing in real estate, you're wondering if now is the best time, make sure to give me a call or text. This is my industry that I work in, and we're going to talk all about if it's the right time with these interest rates dropping. Are buyers going to flood the market? Are prices going to shoot back up? Are they going to crash? That's what we can cover, and that's what we're going to be covering on the channel as well. So thank you so much for watching. If you are interested in buying or selling, and you're interested in this property specifically as well, make sure to give me a call or text, and we can get that going, and we'll get you the best deal possible. And then come back to my Instagram to get ahead and stay ahead on what developments are happening in Utah with its new construction. We got free updates, and you can be in the know and the first to know on what's going on over there. So the link to my Instagram will be in the description. And then make sure to like and subscribe and come back to the channel, guys, because there's going to be tons of content both on Utah and on new construction and luxury homes in the valley. So thank you so much for watching. That's where you'll see me. We'll see you guys in the next video.